Okay, this is a really, really quick one. Just did a live stream earlier. This is really more just an update. You see this giant mess here. This is the new home server. Old one cleared off some space here. Networking's up there. But I was just in the process of cleaning and I realized I don't know if I've shown the C128. So, yeah, these things are pretty common. Probably not that interesting, but might as well put the C128 up here. Yes, of course I'm sure to go 64, but yeah, I just cleaned it out, vacuuming all the dust off, and I had two 1541s. The other one's behind me, but I'm gonna retire one of the 1541s and get one of the SD to IECs because, well, it's just less space. And you can see, oh, that's so slow, right? So hopefully 1541 is faster. I'm gonna load this. And the Commodore 64 was, of course, my first machine, right? I was a child. And I have this 128, and the 128 is actually pretty nice. I would definitely think it's the best of the 8-bit. Micro's new CPM on the Z80. It's got 128K of memory for 128 mode. You can do C64 mode, so you play all your old C64 games. And what I need to do is I have somewhere around here the user port adapter to RS-232, and I got a 4-port, or maybe I should do it in 8-port, serial board coming for the new home server, so I can connect this, that'd be pretty nifty, a little terminal into the home server on the 128. I'll also be able to transfer some stuff over. Kermit runs, but just in the process of clearing all this stuff up, and there are mountains of dust because I haven't gotten back here in a decade. But this was really just to, I don't know if I got another box of discs down there, First Flight Simulator, and the tape drive there. But yeah, I do need to get one of those little disc emulators because look at how long this is taking. And B, if I can get rid of this drive here, I probably would need to keep it for a while just to make sure everything's backed up off there. I think all the games I played would be available for download, but perhaps some of the stuff I wrote years ago I'd want to store off some other way. So a couple cases, one here and another case of 5 1/4. But this open space here, gonna put some stuff there, and then as you see over here in this corner, we got the O2 back there, stack of Sun gear, and that would disappear. Jumpman is loaded here. Oh, the nice sound of a floppy drive. But yes, this was all a stack of stuff, and then here's the APC UPS here that will hopefully be able to connect successfully in the home server because power, for whatever reason here in Texas, has been off. And yeah, I'm not playing that. So that's it for this one. Under 4 minutes.